How to build your brand as a web hosting reseller. Congratulations! You have finally decided to take the plunge into reseller hosting and build an alternate income stream. The next step is crucial. It is time to let people know about your hosting business. Here's how you can build a brand as a web hosting reseller with proven and effective techniques. Create a brand identity. Appearance is a big part of brand identity and triggers instant recall in customers. Create your own distinctive logo, choose your brand colors, and design the entire look for your business. Choose your niche. Web hosting is a crowded space and sometimes new entrants get lost in the crowded market. Choose a niche market which is not fully tapped and focus on generating business from there. Offer customized plans. The bigger hosting providers cannot provide custom plans because they lose economies of scale. Offering customized plans is a good way to gather a loyal customer base and build your brand. Run offers regularly. Running offers and discounts periodically will get you a steady stream of new customers. But don't be too liberal with discounts or your brand will be associated more with discounts. Provide reliable support. All new site owners rely on the expertise of technical support to get their issues sorted. Back up your services with proactive, live support to get more renewals and repeat customers. Reseller Club offers well-rounded reseller hosting services that bundle Softaculous installer, powerful hardware, and free migration. Supercharge your reseller business with optimized performance, seamless upgrades, free WHM, and 24/7 expert support.